this is your lesson 22 quiz on equivalent fractions. Please put your name and number in the top left-hand corner. Then write your goal that you're hoping to achieve on this quiz. All right, number 1. Gaston makes 2 number lines to find equivalent fractions. Number line 1, number line 2. Which fractions are equivalent? Choose all the correct answers. That means that could be more than one correct answer. So you're going to come down and look at these. Look at is 1/6 the same as 1/3? You're going to go up and find 1/6 on the 1/6 number line, 1/3 on the 1/3 number line. Are they the same size? If yes, circle it. If no, leave it alone. B, is 2/6 the same size as 1/3? Go look at the number lines, find the fractions. If they're the same amount, then circle it. If they're not equivalent, then leave it alone. You're going to do that with all of these fractions. Go find them on the number lines. If they're equivalent, circle them. If they are not equivalent, leave them alone. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Number 2. This is a challenge. John uses this model to show 4/8. Tracy uses this model to show 2/3. Do these models show that 4/8 is equivalent to 2/3? Why or why not? So you're going to have to start your answer with, do these models show that 4/8 is equal to 2/3? So you're going to say either these models do show that 4/8 is equal to 2/3, or these models do not show that 4/8 is equal to 2/3. Because, and then say why. They are the same, they are equal because blankety blank, or they are not equal because blankety blank. Pause the video, do that, then let's move on to number 3. Number 3. The shaded model shows 2/4. Okay, let's go down to A. Shade the second rectangle to show an amount equivalent to 2/4. So you're going to shade that second bar graph to be equal to the top bar. Sorry, you're going to shade the second fraction bar to show an equal amount to the top fraction bar. B, what fraction did you shade in that second fraction bar? All right, number 4. Look at the fractions shown by the shaded circles. So you're going to look at these 2 fractions. Write equivalent fractions for the shaded parts. So you're going to write the fraction that's shaded in the first circle and show that it's equivalent to the fraction shaded in the second circle. Pause the video and do that. Unpause when you're ready to go on. Number 5. Shade 1/3 of rectangle A. Then shade rectangle B to show a fraction equivalent to 1/3. So you're going to show 1/3 on A, and then you're going to shade rectangle B to show an equivalent amount. And at the last part on the bottom, write the equivalent fractions. So you're going to write the fraction that you shaded in A and the equivalent fraction that you shaded in B. All right, when you're done, hold on to your paper as always and look to the board for directions.